Welcome to our journey through the cosmos. Today, we're exploring the top 10 stars in our universe. From the most massive to the most luminous, let's dive into the fascinating world of stars. Over the next few minutes, we'll journey across unimaginable distances to witness the power and beauty of these celestial giants. Our cosmic journey begins right here in our own backyard, with the star we know best, the Sun. This seemingly ordinary yellow dwarf star, a Class G main-sequence star to be precise, is anything but ordinary. It is the anchor of our solar system, the reason for our existence. The Sun, at a distance of 93 million miles, bathes our planet in light and warmth, providing the energy necessary for life to flourish. Deep within its core, under unimaginable pressure and heat, hydrogen atoms are fused into helium, releasing tremendous amounts of energy in the process. At about 4.6 billion years old, the Sun is roughly halfway through its lifespan. When that happens, the Sun will expand dramatically, becoming a red giant and engulfing the inner planets, including Earth. Our next stop takes us to Sirius, also known as the Dog Star, located in the constellation Canis Major. Sirius is the brightest star in our night sky, outshining even the mighty planets like Venus. Sirius is actually a binary star system consisting of two stars, Sirius A and Sirius B. Sirius A is the one we see shining so brightly in the night sky. It's a blue-white star, much hotter and more massive than our Sun. Its companion Sirius B is a white dwarf, a stellar remnant, the leftover core of a star that has exhausted its nuclear fuel. The two stars, Sirius A and B, orbit each other every 50 years, their gravitational pull a constant dance, and though we can't see Sirius B with the naked eye, its presence is revealed by the subtle wobble of Sirius A as they waltz through space. The ancient Egyptians used its appearance to predict the flooding of the Nile, linking the star to their agricultural cycles. Our cosmic journey now takes us to the constellation Orion, home to Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star that commands attention with its fiery hue. Betelgeuse is enormous, one of the largest stars known to astronomers. If we were to replace our Sun with Betelgeuse, it would extend beyond the orbit of Mars, engulfing the inner solar system. As Betelgeuse nears the end of its life, it burns through its remaining fuel at a furious rate. This unstable state causes the star to pulsate, its brightness fluctuating over time. When Betelgeuse finally exhausts its fuel, it will explode in a spectacular supernova, briefly outshining an entire galaxy. Betelgeuse's eventual supernova is a reminder of the transient nature of the cosmos. Our cosmic journey now takes us to a star much smaller and fainter than the giants we've encountered so far, but no less intriguing. This is Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star and our closest stellar neighbor, a mere stone's throw away on the cosmic scale. Proxima Centauri lies just over 4 light-years away from our Sun, a member of the Alpha Centauri system. Orbiting Proxima Centauri, astronomers have discovered a planet, Proxima Centauri b, a world roughly the size of Earth. What's more, this planet orbits within the habitable zone of its star, the region where temperatures might allow for liquid water to exist on the surface. Proxima Centauri, though a small and unassuming star, reminds us that the universe is full of surprises. Our cosmic journey now takes us to a star that has guided navigators and dreamers for centuries. A star that holds a fixed position in the night sky while others seem to wheel around it, Polaris, the North Star. Polaris, located in the constellation Ursa Minor, is a star of many names: the North Star, the Pole Star, the Guiding Star. It's a beacon in the night sky, its position almost directly above the North Pole, making it a constant reference point for those seeking direction. But Polaris is more than just a navigational aid. It's a triple star system, a celestial dance of 3 stars bound by gravity. For centuries, sailors have relied on its light to navigate the open seas, its constant presence a reassuring guide in the darkness. Our cosmic journey now takes us to Vega, a brilliant star that shines high in the summer sky, a prominent member of the constellation Lyra, the Harp. Vega is a star of firsts, a celestial pioneer in our understanding of the universe. Vega is a blue-white star, much hotter and younger than our Sun. It burns with an intense energy, its light a piercing blue-white that illuminates the summer nights. Vega holds a special place in the history of astronomy. It was one of the first stars to be photographed, its image captured on a photographic plate in 1850, marking a pivotal moment in our ability to study the stars beyond our solar system. Our cosmic journey now returns to the constellation Orion, home to another celestial giant, Rigel, a blue supergiant star that blazes with an intense blue-white light, marking Orion's left foot in the Hunter's constellation. Rigel is a powerhouse of a star, much larger and more massive than our Sun. It's a blue supergiant, a star that burns through its nuclear fuel at a furious rate, its life a short but brilliant flash compared to the billions of years our Sun will live. Compared to the Sun's yellowish light, Rigel's light is a piercing blue-white, a testament to its intense heat and energy. Rigel's days, however, are numbered. When it finally exhausts its fuel, it will explode in a spectacular supernova, briefly outshining an entire galaxy before fading from view. Our cosmic journey now takes us back to our nearest stellar neighbor, the Alpha Centauri system. But this time, we focus on Alpha Centauri A, a star that bears a striking resemblance to our own Sun. Alpha Centauri A is part of a triple star system, along with its companion Alpha Centauri B and the red dwarf Proxima Centauri. Of the three, Alpha Centauri A is the most similar to our Sun in size, mass, and temperature. Like our Sun, Alpha Centauri A is a yellow dwarf star, a main sequence star that fuses hydrogen into helium in its core. The discovery of a planet orbiting Proxima Centauri has sparked renewed interest in the possibility of planets around Alpha Centauri A. Could there be other worlds in this system, perhaps even worlds similar to our own? Our cosmic journey now takes us to the constellation Scorpius, the Scorpion, where we encounter Antares, a red supergiant star that marks the heart of this celestial arachnid. Antares is a true giant, a red supergiant star hundreds of times larger than our Sun. If it were placed at the center of our solar system, it would engulf the inner planets, its outer layers reaching almost to the orbit of Jupiter. As a red supergiant, Antares is nearing the end of its life. It has exhausted the hydrogen fuel in its core and is now fusing heavier elements, a process that releases even more energy and causes the star to bloat outwards. Antares' fate is sealed. It will eventually explode as a supernova, scattering its heavy elements into space to seed the formation of new stars and planets. Its death will be a spectacular event, visible from Earth even during the day. Our cosmic journey concludes with a star that shines brightly in the southern hemisphere, a beacon to navigators and a celestial wonder. Canopus, the second brightest star in our night sky, a resident of the constellation Carina, the Keel. Canopus is a supergiant star, much larger and more luminous than our Sun. Its luminosity, the amount of energy it emits, is thousands of times greater than our Sun's, making it a true beacon in the cosmos. For those living in the southern hemisphere, Canopus is a familiar sight, a bright star that never sets below the horizon. It has served as a navigational aid for centuries, guiding sailors across the vast expanse of the southern seas. As a supergiant star, Canopus is nearing the end of its life. It will eventually exhaust its nuclear fuel and explode as a supernova, but not for millions of years. These 10 stars, each unique and magnificent in its own way, are just a glimpse into the vast and wondrous tapestry of the cosmos. They are reminders of the incredible forces at play in the universe, the cycles of stellar birth, life and death that have unfolded for billions of years. As we look up at the night sky, we are reminded that we are connected to these distant stars, not just by the laws of physics, but by the very elements that make up our bodies. The atoms in our bodies were forged in the hearts of stars, scattered across the cosmos by supernova explosions, and eventually coalesced into the planet we call home. Stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop asking questions about the universe around us. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more astronomical adventures.